This is one of 28 British bases that were set up just after the war from 1945 onwards, and this is one of the most southerly, Detaille. They had one good season in 1958, but when the ship came early in the season to re-provision them, the ship couldn't get to within 30 miles of the base. There was 30 miles of hard, fast ice all the way out, and the men were told to abandon the site within a couple of hours, bring their personal belongings, bring the dogs and the sleds, and go out to the ship that was waiting for them 30 miles away across the sea ice.
This is like stepping back in time. It is unbelievable. I'm 71 years old. I don't even recognize some of the brands on the cans here. That's just amazing, and all the stuff on the walls, and it's just like boom, they were gone and it's left. And the amazing thing to me is it's still standing after all the harsh weather here in the Antarctic. So a lot of fun, a lot of fun.
So when it was rediscovered recently, the UK Antarctic Heritage Trust decided it was worthy of restoration, and now it's a record of the men, the dogs and the survey work that went on here in the 1950s.